How do you respond to disappointment without getting stuck? Let's be honest, disappointment is part of leadership. It's part of everyone's life, actually. Maybe you were passed over for a promotion, your idea was rejected, or someone else got the recognition you were hoping for. The emotions are real, but your response, that's what defines your growth, your mindset, and many times your future. So, we're going to go over 6 practical steps that can help you move forward without losing momentum. And the first one is to manage your emotions. Disappointment stings. The goal here is not to bury our emotions and to ignore them, it's to name them and keep them in perspective. So try journaling, talk to someone you trust. Labeling your emotions gives you space to respond, not just react. Step 2, reassess your expectations. Take a step back and ask some questions. Were my expectations or my assumptions realistic? Did I understand what the decision makers were looking for? This is a chance to reflect, not to blame yourself, but to refine your strategy. Step 3 is to allow for recovery. Rest is not a weakness, it's actually a strategy. Disappointment does drain our energy, so build time to recharge. Reconnect with life outside of work, go on a walk, pick up a hobby, whatever that looks like for you. It's not a waste of time, it's a leadership investment in yourself. Step 4, draw out insights from others. Ask for feedback. Ask, what did you do well? What could you have been stronger in? What could you do differently next time in the same situation? Even vague or unclear feedback is helpful. It gives you direction for what's next. Step 5, reboot your confidence. Revisit your wins. Remind yourself what you do bring to the table. Then take one small action that builds momentum, a new project, a conversation, a pitch, whatever it is. Progress that builds confidence. Confidence drives progress. Step 6, move forward. Reconnect with your allies. Take initiative. Show that you're future focused. And if the path you're on no longer aligns with who you are or where you're headed, what do? Well, it might be time to explore new opportunities that do. It might be time for a change in your role or in a different job completely. Here's the takeaway. Disappointment isn't the end of the story. It's the beginning of a new chapter. It's not what happens to us, it's how we respond that defines our leadership. I hope this was helpful for you today. If it was, hit like and subscribe, drop a comment. I would like to know, how do you respond to disappointment or a recent disappointment that happened to you, and how did you thrive, come out better on the other end? If you're looking for a coach or want to be on my Change Agent Leadership podcast as a client to work through a problem, click on the link in the show notes. Until next time, I'm Jonathan Hankin, your Change Agent Coach. Keep questioning, keep growing, and keep leading change.